Concerns have emerged regarding Andrew Mountbatten Windsor's potential legal actions against the Home Office. Newly released documents indicate that civil servants feared he might initiate legal proceedings if they cooperated with American investigators seeking his testimony about Jeffrey Epstein. Emails from the Epstein files reveal that officials believed Mountbatten Windsor could pursue high court action should they assist the FBI in compelling him to answer questions related to the investigation. This situation underscores the complex legal and diplomatic issues at play. In 2020, the U.S. Department of Justice submitted a formal mutual legal assistance request to British authorities. This request aimed to compel Mountbatten Windsor's cooperation with the FBI's inquiry into Epstein's activities. However, the request ultimately did not succeed. Despite the efforts from U.S. authorities, Mountbatten Windsor has not provided assistance to the FBI regarding their ongoing investigation into Jeffrey Epstein. This lack of cooperation raises questions about the effectiveness of transatlantic legal frameworks. The implications of this situation are significant. Legal experts suggest that if the Home Office had moved forward with cooperation, it could have led to a different outcome in the investigation. Instead, Mountbatten Windsor's silence continues to be a point of contention. The Epstein investigation has been a high-profile case, attracting media attention and public scrutiny. Mountbatten Windsor's connections to Epstein have drawn particular interest, leading to calls for accountability and transparency. Documents released from the investigation highlight the delicate balance between legal obligations and the potential for legal repercussions. Officials appeared to weigh the risks of assisting U.S. authorities against the possibility of a legal challenge from Mountbatten Windsor. This scenario illustrates the challenges faced by the Home Office. The fear of legal action from a member of the royal family complicates the pursuit of justice in the Epstein case, reflecting broader issues of power and privilege within the legal system. The failure to secure Mountbatten Windsor's cooperation has left a gap in the investigation. U.S. officials continue to seek answers about Epstein's network, but the absence of key testimonies limits their ability to fully understand the extent of his operations. As the investigation progresses, the Home Office's decision-making process will be scrutinized. Critics argue that more could have been done to facilitate cooperation, while supporters point to the complexities involved in addressing potential legal challenges. Public interest in the Epstein case remains high, with many demanding accountability from those involved. The relationship between the British authorities and U.S. investigators is under examination as they navigate these legal hurdles. The situation raises important questions about the legal protections afforded to individuals of high status. It forces a reconsideration of how such cases are handled, particularly when powerful figures are implicated in serious crimes. In the wake of these developments, calls for reform are growing. Advocates argue that the legal system must ensure that no one is above the law, regardless of social status or connections. As the Epstein investigation continues, the implications of the Home Office's concerns about Mountbatten Windsor highlight the interplay of law, politics, and public interest. It serves as a reminder that the pursuit of justice can be fraught with challenges. Moving forward, the focus will likely remain on how legal systems in the U.S. and U.K. can better collaborate in high-stakes investigations. The Mountbatten Windsor case may serve as a catalyst for changes in how such requests are handled in the future. The Epstein files continue to be a significant source of information as investigators seek to piece together the various elements of this complex case. Each revelation adds to the larger narrative surrounding Epstein's operations and the individuals involved. As more documents come to light, the public will be watching closely. The outcome of this investigation could have lasting impacts on legal practices and the accountability of powerful figures in society. In summary, the concerns expressed by the Home Office regarding Andrew Mountbatten Windsor's potential legal actions illustrate the intricate dynamics at play in the Epstein investigation. The interplay between authority, legal frameworks, and public expectation remains a critical aspect to observe. As the situation unfolds, the legal community will be paying attention to the ramifications of these developments. The Epstein case continues to challenge the boundaries of law and privilege, making it a pivotal moment in contemporary legal discourse.